Hey, this is Naturally TC coming at you with this Microloc install video. If you take a look at my client's hair, you'll see that is super soft. It's that nice baby soft hair, and it's also very curly. So what I was able to do is just start with a small braid. You'll see me really getting tight in on the scalp and then bringing it down. And then what you're going to see me do is go back and comb coil every single braid so that she has a coil at the end of every single one of these locks. As I'm doing the parting, I like to part according to the person's head. I can see where there needs to be more locks, or that the locks may need to be a little bit, I don't want to say closer in size. I probably can't even explain it to you, but you'll just know. It's just like if you're parting your hair and putting it to one side, you're going to put it to the stronger side and maybe put the weaker side behind your ear. It's kind of like that. You want to create a balance. So, and also I am a beginner, so y'all don't try to eat me up on this video. Okay. My clients know this is nothing that I really have a history with. I typically just do traditional locks. I use the comb coil method to start. I've done one where, well, a couple actually, that we use 2-strand twists to start. Microloc starting with a braid. There are different methods to start locks. What the real thing is, y'all, is because our hair texture is coily, curly, sometimes coarse, and this is the natural state of our hair, we can start it a million different ways, and honestly, I still think it would be beautiful. Now, you know, some of y'all, I'm not going to call it not beautiful, because y'all love to eat people up on their YouTube videos. We just out here sharing our little opinions, and y'all come over here and badger us about what we say. But anyway, I love us with our natural hair. And actually, I told somebody the other day, because now, you know, I'm wearing my shortcut, and I was saying that me with my short natural hair is the most that I feel like myself, if that makes sense. And then, you know, my other style that I feel the most myself is when I have my Afro puff, y'all. When I let my natural hair grow out, and I would still have my natural hair today if it wasn't for a certain somebody, but whew, I digress. We won't tell that story. But when my hair is fully grown out and I get to wear my Afro puff, I know some people may think it's childish, but I love my hair like that. Like, that's how we get here naturally. Now, I will switch it up with a bust down wig in a minute, long or short. I love my hair parted in the middle. But yes, naturally, I think all of us should be able to wear our hair naturally. We should. You should have that option. We should not be limited to feeling beautiful only when our hair is completely, every hair is in line, or, you know, if it's laying down a certain way, if our edge is straight, then that makes us more beautiful. And that just shouldn't be. That's the image that has been shown to us over the years, and we've accepted it. So, you know, although, yes, we can adorn ourselves in many different ways, but you should have a place, even with your hair, that you can be 100% you. And don't come at me with about color, it's not natural and all that. I really don't have no time for all the extra stuff, y'all. But this is the install. It came out really nice. like I said, I'm going to go back in and coil every one of her ends so that she has a coil at the end of these braids and these micro locks. So y'all ride out to the rest of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. My name is Tori, and I go by Naturally TC. There is a good story behind that. Very good story. And I'll share that with y'all in another video. But y'all follow me on Instagram, also on Facebook, and it's Naturally TC.